Nursing care plan for hypertension. Nursing assessment. Assess the factors related to cause of hypertension. Example as risk factors: smoking, obesity, high salt intake, stress, lack of exercises. Medical history: previous use OCP, steroid, NSAIDs, nasal decongestants, antidepressants. Other diseases: diabetic mellitus, bronchial asthma, peptic ulcer disease. Physical examination, especially vital signs: eyes, visual changes, heart, enlargement. This is the sign and symptoms of hypertension. Dizziness, irregular heartbeat, nausea, vomiting, severe headache, nose bleeding, difficulty in breathing. Assess the psychological status: memory, fear and anxiety. Assess the laboratory values. Nursing diagnosis: decreased cardiac output related to difficulty of the heart muscle to pump, plaque formation and atherosclerosis. Activity intolerance related to imbalance between oxygen supply and demand. Ineffective tissue perfusion related to lack of delivery of the oxygen and nutrition to tissue and organs. Excess fluid volume related to excess fluid intake, excess sodium intake, chronic condition as kidney disease. Deficit knowledge related to disease condition and control of the blood pressure. Fear and anxiety related to fear of death and disease condition. Acute pain related to cerebrovascular pressure. Number 1. Nursing diagnosis: decreased cardiac output related to difficulty of the heart muscle to pump and plaque formation, atherosclerosis. Goal: to increase cardiac output. Planning: monitor vital signs, auscultate breath sound and heart sounds, administer beta blockers, calcium channel blockers as ordered, monitor laboratory values, give health education about diet. Implementation: monitored vital signs, auscultated breath sounds and heart sounds, administered beta blockers, calcium channel blockers as ordered, monitored laboratory values, gave health education about salt intake, evaluation, blood pressure, respiratory rate, pulse rate, body temperature, serum electrolyte level, serum creatinine level, cholesterol level. Nursing diagnosis: 2. Fear that related to fear of death, stress and disease condition. Goal: to relieve fear and anxiety. Planning. Reassure the patient. Assess the patient's level of anxiety. Listen to the patient. Give chance for asking questions about disease condition. Explain about disease condition and treatments. Teach to stress relaxation techniques. Implementation. Reassure patient. Assess the patient's level of anxiety. Listen to the patient. Give chance for asking questions about disease condition. Explained about disease condition and treatments. Taught the stress relaxation techniques. Evaluation. Fear is reduced more than earlier. Nursing diagnosis. Number 3. Ineffective tissue perfusion related to lack of delivery of oxygen and nutrition to tissue and organs. Call to improve tissue perfusion. Planning, monitor vital signs, monitor capillary refill time, monitor hemoglobin level, administer oxygen as prescribed, administer medication as prescribed, monitor saturation level, educate sign of heart attack. Implementation. Monitored vital signs, monitored capillary refill time, monitored hemoglobin level, administered oxygen as prescribed, administered medication as prescribed, monitored saturation level, educated signs of heart attack, respiratory rate, pulse rate, temperature, saturation level, hemoglobin level, and capillary refill time. Lifestyle modification for hypertension patient. Stop smoking and alcohol. Reduce salt intake. Eat a healthy diet. Monitor blood pressure at home. Manage stress. Take medication properly. Enjoy regular physical activity. Reduce excess body weight. Thank you. Our care plan discussion is over. Like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Give your ideas about our channel.